Hi, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add an AI-powered chat function to your game on Rosebud. AI-powered chats and AI-powered generative texts are actually super useful for a range of games. You can use this to add personality to your NPCs, to add guidance in your game, or even an interactive character. You can also use it to create generative texts and texting moments in your game, or anything where your imagination can go beyond. There's a very easy workaround of this on Rosebud that you can get started with and have a functioning AI chat or AI-powered NPC in a couple of minutes. Simply, you just need to use this AI template where if you remix it, you will already have the embedded generative AI capabilities in it, and then prompt Rosie to reskin this template and the functionality according to your needs. So let's take a look and let's get started. First, you're going to open up the website/app template from Rosebud. And then if you scroll down, you will see the Remix This Game feature right here. Once you click Remix, you will get an exact copy of this game, except you're able to prompt in Rosebud now and actually make changes to this. If you go to the code base, you will actually see that there is a chat AI part of this, which is where you will be able to prompt from, and that is the functionality in the code base that you want to use to create your AI-powered NPC. We are going to see two ways of using this in order to implement an AI-powered chat into your game. First, I'm going to show you how to create a chat-based game, such as a texting simulator, using the AI-powered chat. And then two, I'm going to show you how to implement this AI chat into an existing NPC in an already existing game. So let's get started. To create a chat-based game, I'm actually going to prompt directly in Rosebud here, in this version of the remix, and ask it directly to erase all other features and to use the AI chat structure to create a chat game. So the AI agent will actually read through all files, source the main component, and then start making the game for you. It will also walk you through each step. It will explain what it's generating, and then in a couple of seconds you'll actually have the full playable game. So with that one prompt, I actually have this full game created now. So it's the squad, there's a little bit of texting going on, and I can message everyone here, and let's see what they respond based on the AI chat. It's very interesting that it has this whole infrastructure of each person texting after each other, and we call the same person twice. Looks like it works. So anyway, you can start doing this, and then you can give people different personalities in the chat as well. And then when you're done, you can just share and publish your game through the publish inflow here. You will get a link that you can share with people, and then they can just play this. Now let's move on to the second version of how you can use this template and this game infrastructure. In this version, I am going to remix this template again and copy out the code for the AI chat, and then paste it in as a prompt into a different game to enable an AI-powered chat for an NPC in a game that already exists, instead of having to recreate it from scratch. So let's see how this works. If I scroll down and I click remix again, this should work the same way. And then I head to the code tab where I can see the chat AI part. I can literally copy out this whole thing, and then I will go to my other game where I've started creating a simple voxel template, and I've just added in a gigantic chicken here, which will serve as my NPC. It's clearly over my head, but we should see it from far away. And it's there, and what I want to do is add a personality to it and give me the option to chat to the chicken. So I'm going to prompt exactly that in Rosebud. Now I'm just going to wait a couple minutes while the AI agent is still working on this, and in a few minutes I will hopefully have my chicken AI character ready to go. So let's see what the AI has produced. Now again, I'm under the chicken, seems like the chat functionality is opened as soon as I'm anywhere near it. And then if I press E, I can start talking to it. I can say, "What's up?" It's very funny that it has a chickeny personality. One function that I would probably have to debug after this is that every time I throw W or any of the common navigation keys, it actually also moves me on the scene. But that can easily be changed. Yeah, that's it. In one step, once again, we have a fully functioning AI chat. And I can otherwise walk around and build in my world, or continue prompting and evolve the game. Thank you so much for watching. I've left a link below to the template that I was talking about, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Let us know what you want us to show you next.